So in this video, I will give you some ways on how to know who restricted you on Messenger. So now go ahead and open the Messenger application. So to avoid confusion, this account that I'm using right now has been restricted to this account. So the first way of knowing if someone has restricted you is that you won't be able to know if that person is active, or there is no indicator that that person is active, which should be seen beside their profile icon. Moving on is when you sent them messages and there is no indicator that that person has seen the messages. So when I sent a message, even though that person has already seen the message, you won't be notified. And as for the last method, the highest indicator that this person has restricted you is when you try to give them a call and the line is busy. And so, those are 3 ways on how to know if someone restricted you on Messenger. Thank you and have a great day.